Go ahead.
Now, I don't know if this is enough water to set off the test, but this is simulating rainwater pouring in, and hopefully, before we would get too much water, the alarm would go off. It's kind of on a hair trigger, which is good. Burn. Okay, and now, before we go to bed, let's get the siphon going again.
Okay. Huh?
So I'm going to use this hose bib to put some water in this hose. It's going out to the backyard. Wait till it's full. And slow it way down. Kink the hose. Turn off the hose. And screw the hose so we can keep the water pressure in it. Zip the end in here. Unkink the hose. And hopefully, if we did it right, we created a siphon. And it's kind of hard to tell right away without looking at the other end of the hose. But I don't really feel like going out in the backyard. We see right now the water level is at the top of the H in Charlotte. And I could be wrong, but it looks like it's going down.
I think it is.
Alright, and that's a siphon. So, yeah, let's set the alarm back up. Could be loud. Alright.
You all set?
Yeah. And good night.